In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and export your videos directly to YouTube from Clipchamp. If you've been working on a video project and are now ready to share it with the world, this straightforward process will save you a bit of time and effort. First things first, let's open up a web browser on your computer. Enter Clipchamp in the search bar and locate the official website to get started. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Clipchamp account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. After logging in, you'll be directed to your project dashboard. Here, click to open the video project you've been working on. With your project open, navigate to the top right corner of the video editor where you'll find the Export button. Click on this button to bring up a drop-down menu offering different video resolution options. For YouTube, it's best to choose the 1080p resolution to ensure high-quality streaming. Once you've made your selection, the video will start rendering. While your video is rendering, you'll notice an export screen that provides various integration options. Among them, you'll see the Upload to YouTube button. Click on it to move to the next step. At this point, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to connect to YouTube. Click on Connect to YouTube and select the Google account that's linked to your YouTube channel. If you haven't connected your account yet, you'll need to add it here. After choosing or adding your account, you'll be asked to grant Clipchamp permission to access your YouTube account. Click Allow to continue with the uploading process. Now it's time to fill out the details for your video. On the next screen, you'll have fields to enter the video's title, a brief but engaging description, and to choose privacy settings. Don't forget to specify the category and add relevant keywords to help viewers discover your video. It's also crucial to declare whether your video is made for kids to comply with COPPA regulations. With all the necessary information filled in and your settings in place, it's time for the grand finale. Click the Upload button, which will publish your video directly to your YouTube channel. And that's it! Your masterpiece is now live for the world to see. You've successfully uploaded your content from Clipchamp to YouTube without having to download massive video files onto your computer. This efficient process not only saves time, but also streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus more on creating and less on the technicalities of posting. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading!